What's happening, guys? So now we're gonna start on the brace. We're over on the Insta360 and I'm gonna put this thing on the hat. Shout out to Lou52RC. When I got back, he had this shirt. He had mailed it to me. Thanks so much. Shout out to Lou52RC. Give him a like and subscribe too. Very cool guy. Does a lot of great content. But now let's get back to work. So my thinking on this brace is I'm gonna make it out of 6061 because we're holding this thing down with 3 millimeter screws. And you can see this is the only screw with any length to it. And this chassis is gonna need to flex. This is a plastic truck. So 7075 is gonna be too hard, and I think it's gonna rip the threads out of the plastic. So we're gonna go with 6061. I got some material out here that we're gonna use. It's a little too big to make this part, and it's a little too small to make two parts, but we should be able to get one part out of it for the prototypes. So come along, I'm gonna put you on the hat, let's go.